Hi, welcome back to this video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add a PayPal donation button on your Wix website. So once you are in Wix editor, and then on the left side here you can see this option. Just click on this plus icon, and here you can see this option. Just click on button. Okay, now on the right side here you can see PayPal button, buy now and donate. So we are going to add donate. Just click and hold and drag it and place as you want to add. So now add PayPal info. Just click on this, and here what is the button for? So now what is this button for? So this is for donating. And here what's your PayPal email? So here write your PayPal email. Next, what's the donation for? And here you can write what's the purpose of donation. You can let visitor set own amount. Just click on this, then visitor can set own amount. And what's the currency? You can change the currency from here, and you can choose any of the currency from here. After that, just click on this. So this is how you can add PayPal donation button on your Wix website. Thanks for watching. If this video helpful, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.